I want you to go to your YouTube studio right now and turn on this one particular setting I'm going to show you in this video. Believe me guys, when I say that I started doing this of recent and I'm seeing great results. So once you turn on this set, you're going to see great results. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you feel this is a video you like to watch, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to my channel and join this wonderful family where we talk about YouTube growth so that we all grow together. Like, I want us to grow together. Do you know that when it comes to you getting views on your video, it is something that you have control over? Now, YouTube is an SEO system. YouTube recommends your video to people that watch your video for a long time. For example, if you upload a video that is up to 8 minutes and people watch it up to 3 minutes or 6 minutes, YouTube is going to recommend that video to more people. That is why I say that when it comes to you getting views on your video, it is something you have control over. It is what you feed the YouTube algorithm with, especially your keywords. That is when YouTube is going to recommend your videos to more people out there. Because why? YouTube is an SEO system. Before we go and turn on this setting, I want to say this. Please, if you know that you are practicing sub for sub, this setting is not going to work for you. If you turn on this setting and you go ahead and start doing sub for sub, believe me, you're not going to see results. So please don't do sub for sub after turning on this setting. Reasons because of people that are doing sub for sub. If you are doing sub for sub, the people that subscribe to your channel are people that are not interested in your niche. Once YouTube recommend that video to them, they will only come and click on that video. They won't even watch because they are not interested in that video. That is not what they are interested in. And once they swipe away, YouTube is not going to recommend that video to more people out there. Remember, I told you that when it comes to you getting views, it is something that you have control of. The more people watch your video for a long time, the more YouTube is going to recommend that video to more people. Once you do sub for sub and these people did not watch your video for a long time, YouTube is not going to recommend your videos to more people, because YouTube love videos that keep people on the platform and not videos that send people away from the platform. So that is why the more people watch your video for a long time, the more YouTube recommend your video to more people. So if you turn on this setting and you do sub for sub, believe me, you're not going to see a great result. So please turn on this setting and don't do sub for sub. You're going to see a great result. So if you are using your mobile phone for this tutorial, go to your Google and type www.youtubestudio.dashboard.com. It will take you directly to your YouTube Studio dashboard. So now guys, let's go to our YouTube Studio dashboard. So this is our dashboard, right? So you click on setting, it will bring you to this place. Then you click on channel. So on that channel, you're going to see basic info. Then you scroll down right where you see keywords. Now these are my keywords, right? So now I'm going to show you what to do next. So all you need to do is for you to go to your YouTube app. Now this is my YouTube app, right? So you're going to search on the content you know you are interested in or you're already doing, right? So now we are going to use cooking, for example. So once you search for this cooking, you're going to see all shorts, videos, on match, watch, recently uploaded, and all that. So we're going to click on videos, right? So now these are all cooking videos. So now we are going to check for the videos that did well. That is a channel that is performing very, very well. So let's check. Okay, I think I've seen one. So let's check this village cooking channel, right? They have 42 million views as of 8 months ago. So let's click on this channel. So you can see it here is written village cooking channel. So now let's check the video, the recent video. So see, now they uploaded this video 4 days ago and they already have 3.1 million views. This shows that this channel is performing very, very, very well. So now let's click on this more to bring us to this place where we see description. So now this description is all about the keywords These are important keywords that feed the algorithm what this channel is really all about and who they should push the YouTube videos to. This is what is making the video to perform very well. So now we can see from this description that it is written here that village grandpa cooking traditional village food. So now this is a key point. So we are going to take this key point to our channel key points now, right? So let's go to our studio dashboard. So once you come to your studio dashboard, you type village grandpa traditional food or traditional cooking, right? So once you write that, make sure you put comma. Yeah, once you've put comma, it has automatically saved, just like this you are seeing on my keywords, right? So it has automatically saved. So you go back to your YouTube app, you check for another keywords, you check another one, you see tasty recipe for food, you go to your channel and you insert it there. So you are not just going to do it on just this channel, you're going to check other cooking channels too that are doing very well, and also take keywords there and insert it on your channel. So after doing that, you come to this place, you see this village cooking channel, you insert it too on your channel. Go to your channel and insert village cooking channel. So you doing this, you are feeding the algorithm what your channel is all about, the kind of content you are creating, who they should push this video to. So this is the why keywords is very important. It is very easy for YouTube recommendation. So now let's go to our YouTube studio dashboard. Let me show you next to do. Come to your YouTube studio dashboard, you go to customization, you click on customization. So once you click on customization, it will bring you to this place where you see profile and home tab. You scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see description. Now this description, you see those keywords you've written out on your channel, you're going to put it here, but this time around it's going to be on sentence. Yes, just like what you are saying here on my description. So now you can see how I added my own keywords to this my description here. Tricks and strategies to grow your YouTube channel based on my research, encouragements and support. Monetize your channel now. So these are my keywords, but just as you're going to put it as a sentence on your description. Once you have done this, believe me, you're going to see how your channel is going to blow up. Like, this works like magic. So you have to give it a try. So if you know you've not done this setting, just go now and do this setting and come back and thank me later. So if you feel this video was very helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share and also subscribe to my channel. See you on our next video, guys. Bye.